Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix location services are grayed out in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Right-click New, Key. Type location and sensors. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type disable location. Change value data to 0. Click OK. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Search. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type allow search to use location. Change value to 1. Click OK and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.